In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoom Stream Key 2024 quick and easy. If you're planning to push your Zoom meeting to a streaming platform or connect it to an encoder, your Stream Key is what securely links Zoom to that destination. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. Start by opening a desktop web browser and signing into the Zoom web portal. This is important because the Stream Key lives in your web settings, not inside the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in with the account that hosts the meeting and has permission to manage streaming. If your organization manages Zoom for you, admin settings might affect what you can see. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll find this in the navigation menu on the left side of the web portal. Settings is where Zoom keeps all the meeting configuration options tied to your account, so anything you change here will carry across your meetings unless you adjust it again later. Inside Settings, look for the In Meeting Advanced section. This area groups together features that are a bit more specialized, including live streaming. It's a good idea to scroll slowly and let the page fully load so you don't miss the option you need. Turn on Allow Live Streaming. Enabling this tells Zoom that you want to permit live streaming from your meetings. If you don't see the toggle, it may be locked by your admin or limited by your plan. In that case, double-check that you're on a supported plan and have host privileges, or ask your admin to enable it for your account. With live streaming allowed, click Configure Custom Streaming Service. This opens the configuration details that your encoder or platform will use. Here's the key part. On this page, you'll see your Stream Key. This is the unique code Zoom provides for connecting to your chosen streaming destination. Go ahead and copy your Stream Key from the Settings page. Treat it like a password and keep it private. Anyone with this key could stream to your destination. Before you close the tab, consider saving the key somewhere secure so you don't have to repeat the process later. If the page doesn't show the key right away, refresh your browser or sign out and back in to reload your permissions. That's it. Now you have your Zoom Stream Key ready to paste into your encoder or streaming platform. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.